I'm here now to give you the lecture. Brevity is the soul of wit. Have you noticed that? The brevity. To be simple. The concept of simplicity should be treated as the soul of wit. It is not easy to make something simple. Doing something difficult somewhere is actually easy. You are experiencing doing something difficult, then you tell how it is you are speaking what it is by the same difficult way. Studying some difficult book. After studying to some extent, you explain what it is by a difficult way. This is the way usually people do. Then, what I am talking about is very different from this stereotype. Brevity is the soul of wit. Brevity is simplicity. Doing something simply. Usually, in most of activities, it is not easy. You experience some difficult processes. Then you need to do some complicated matters in doing a certain process. Then, later on, you're very happy to tell what it is by the same difficult way. That's why any place anywhere you listen to difficult topics, you feel it is difficult to face some matters. I'd like you to use your brain. Those who understand how to use their brain comprehend very much how they need to treat the things, especially to speak something simply. People need their brain. Brevity is the soul of wit. Wit is different from wisdom. Wisdom is more like some stages or parts of science. You need to be scientific. You need to be intellectual through using wisdom. On the other hand, talking of the concept of wit, you need not only intellectual ability, but also some sort of humor yourself, some sort of technique, how you manage well in doing some matters. As a whole of this matter, you need to be flexible enough to manage the things. Then those who are flexible enough understand the importance of brevity. Because brevity is the soul of wit. The lecture is finished now.